to Culinary Vlogs by Z. My name is Zakia. Recently, I was very excited to learn that DoubleTree Hilton was going to be sharing their special cookie recipe with the world. Yes, you heard right. Today, I'm going to be sharing with all you fabulous people the DoubleTree Hilton special cookie recipe. The first time I tasted these cookies was at the DoubleTree Hilton Business Bay Hotel in downtown Dubai. We were spoilt by management every day with a fresh batch of cookies. For this recipe you will need 1 1/4 teaspoon vanilla essence, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon fine salt, a pinch of cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoons of fresh lemon juice, 2 1/4 cups of flour, half a cup of rolled oats, 250 grams of butter, 2 eggs, 3/4 cup plus 1 tablespoon of white sugar, 3/4 cup brown sugar, 2 2/3 cup semi-sweet chocolate chips, and 1 3/4 cups of chopped walnuts. The first step would be to beat the butter, white sugar, and brown sugar together for about 2 minutes. You can use a handheld mixer, a stand mixer, or your hands for this recipe. Whatever you have available and whatever you're comfortable with. This recipe is so good that since I got the recipe, I've been asked to make it every week. But of course I don't mind. These are delicious. Not forgetting that while eating them, you feel like you're on vacation again. Step 2 would be to add in the eggs, vanilla essence, and lemon juice and continue beating this for about 45 seconds. You will notice while beating, the batter becomes lighter and fluffier. Step 3 would be to add in the salt, cinnamon powder, baking soda, oats, and flour. These cookies were originally sold through Christie Cookie Company, a Nashville-based USA bakery. Which is your favorite DoubleTree hotel? Have you tried these cookies? Let us know in the comment section what your thoughts are about these cookies. Step 4. Add 1/3 of the choc chip and walnut mix into the dough mixture at a time until the walnut and choc chip mix is finished. This ensures even distribution of the chocolates and walnuts into the dough. If you are allergic to walnuts, you could substitute this for almonds or pecans. If you are allergic to all of these, just replace with a little more choc chips. The DoubleTree Hilton special cookie recipe itself asks for Nestle semi-sweet choc chips, but obviously you use what's available. Step 5 is to grease an oven tray and start placing the dough as I am doing so now. Remember to space the cookies well, otherwise your cookies will end up smashing into each other while baking. Use about 2 tablespoons of dough for each cookie and lightly flatten at the top. On this particular size oven tray, you will get 12 cookies. If you prefer a more rounder form at the top and a slightly chewy center, you don't need to flatten the cookies at the top. However, I like a more crispy cookie And for better baking, flattening the cookie at the top really helps. This recipe makes 26 cookies. These are the cookies baking in the oven. I can't wait to taste them. Once out of the oven, this is what they will look like. A whole batch of deliciousness, perfectly baked with a light golden edging around each cookie. Tea, anyone? Once again, a special thank you to DoubleTree Hilton for sharing this special cookie recipe with us. Thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing, commenting, and liking.